Seeking women's hiking shoes? In 8 years, our all-female experts have tested 40 pairs. This review compares the best 13 contenders of 2020. Our team of hiking enthusiasts busted out long miles through deserts and forests, up mountains and across streams, covering well over 150 miles in these hikers every testing season. We carried loaded packs, considered all-day comfort, and evaluated traction over and through wet and slippery surfaces. From 5 Best Hiking Boots for Women in 2020. The 5 best hiking boots for women in present time. We are going to check out 5 best hiking boots for women quality this year. This list is my personal opinion. I tried to list this best product on their price, quality, durability and many more. Number 1 Adidas Terrex AX3 Hiking Shoes Women's. Price, $53.99–$160.26. 100% synthetic, made in USA or imported, rubber sole, Adidas outdoor women's hiking shoe. The Adidas brand has a long history and deep-rooted connection with sport. Everything we do is rooted in sport. Driven by a relentless pursuit of innovation as well as decades of accumulating sports science expertise, we cater for all, from elite professional athletes and teams to any individual who wants to make sport part of their lives. Number 2 Vasque Women's Breeze Lieutenant Low GTX Gore-tex Waterproof Breathable Hiking Shoe. Price, $89.99–$313.86. Rubber sole. The Breeze Light Low Gore-Tex is a streamlined hiking shoe for fast and light trail adventures. Save on weight, while taking full advantage of best-in-class traction and waterproofing. The Gore-Tex waterproof membrane blocks moisture from the outside, while allowing moisture inside to evaporate. The upper is a synthetic microfiber, abrasion-resistant mesh with anatomical high-rebound foot dual-density compression molded endurolless EVA midsole. Features Vibram-Megagrip outsole for sure footing across varying surfaces and a dual-density compression molded endurolless EVA for comfort. A synthetic microfiber upper provides all-day breathability, while delivering improved fit for more comfortable trail miles. Number 3 Salomon Women's X Ultra 3M ID GTXW Hiking Boots. Price, $156.81–$180.13. 100% synthetic, imported, rubber sole, shaft measures approximately mid-top from arch. These shoes are specifically designed for a woman's anatomy. It holds your foot in place even during technical descents, and prevents slippage so you can enjoy more stable and safer descents. An asymmetrical chassis designed to accommodate a woman's anatomy maximizes stability and cushioning, while minimizing fatigue on rugged terrain. 2 different types of rubber are strategically placed on the sole, resulting in a more intense grip. A special pattern area on the heel grabs terrain more aggressively, giving you more control when you're moving along at a healthy clip. Salomon 2-year limited warranty. Number 4 Low Women's Renegade GTX Mid Hiking Boot. Price, $216.29–$414.98. 100% leather, rubber sole. Shaft measures approximately 4.75 inches from arch. Heel measures approximately 1.5 inches. Platform measures approximately 1 inch. Leather hiking boot with corded lace-up vamp and speed lacing grommets at top. Padded tongue and collar. Waterproof and breathable Gore-tex membrane. Breathable climate control foot. Full-length nylon stabilizing shank. The Renegade's Nubic leather upper securely holds the foot in place, reducing strain on the toes during downhill sections. Its mono-wrap midsole technology reduces overall boot weight, while providing extra cushioning and lateral stability. Number 5 Silhouette Alpenrose Ultra Mid Gore-Tex Hiking Shoes for Women. Price, $106.83–$189.95. Synthetic, imported, rubber sole. Shaft measures approximately mid-top from arch. Michelin Ultra Train outsole, outstanding traction and stability over hard and uneven terrain. Gore-Tex extended comfort lining, waterproof and breathable protection. Lightweight, mid-cut upper, provides good support and promotes natural foot movement and agility, especially on downhill sections. 3F System. The trademark Silhouette 3F system connects the instep area of the shoe with the sole and heel, ensuring flexibility, support and the correct fit where it's needed. Ideal USES, mountain training, trail running, speed hiking, walking. Weight, 11.6 ounces/330 g. Check out the description link for more information and latest price.